Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Solve for the value of x given that x raised to 4 equals 4. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, let's answer this question together. Our goal is to solve for the value of x. So, given that x raised to 4 equals 4. Now, take note that x raised to 4 is equivalent to x raised to the fourth power. And now, what we're going to do here is to raise both sides by 4. So, we have x raised to 4 raised to the power of 4 equals 4 raised to 4. Now, let's use this law of exponent. If we have b raised to n raised to the power of m, it is equivalent to b raised to n times m. Therefore, the left-hand side of our equation is equivalent to x raised to 4 times x raised to the fourth power. And again, let's use this identity but in reverse. If we have b raised to n times m, it is equivalent to b raised to n raised to the power of m. Therefore, the left-hand side can be written as x raised to the fourth power raised to x raised to the fourth power. And we know the right-hand side is just 4 raised to 4. Now, by comparison, x raised to the fourth power must be equal to 4. Now, to solve for the value of x, let's get the fourth root on both sides. Since we have an even root, take note that we have two possible results for this one. So, positive or negative. This is the same when we have x squared, x raised to the 6th power, x raised to the 8th power, and so on and so forth. So, let's continue. On the left-hand side, fourth root of x raised to the fourth power is just x. Now, what is fourth root of 4? Take note that 4 is just 2 squared. And then, fourth root of 2 squared can be written as 2 raised to 2 over 4. Now, 2 over 4 is just 1/2. And 2 raised to 1/2 can be written as square root of 2. Therefore, the value of x must be positive or negative square root of 2. But before we end this video, what we're going to do here is to check if square root of 2 is correct. Also, negative square root of 2 must be the solution to this equation. So, let's have our checking. Now, to check that positive square root of 2 is a solution to this equation, what we're going to do is to substitute square root of 2 to this x. So, this will give us square root of 2 raised to square root of 2 raised to 4. Now, square root of 2 raised to 4 is simply square root of 2 multiply 4 times. And now, square root of 2 times square root of 2, the first 2 square root of 2 will give us 2. Now, for the last square root of 2, square root of 2 times square root of 2 will give us another 2. And 2 times 2 will give us 4. And now, we have again square root of 2 raised to 4, and we know that it is equivalent to 4. Therefore, positive square root of 2 is definitely a solution to this equation. Now, how about negative square root of 2? So, let's replace all x with negative square root of 2, like this. So, we have negative square root of 2 raised to negative square root of 2 raised to 4. And again, negative square root of 2 raised to 4 is the same thing as multiplying negative square root of 2 to itself 4 times. Now, on the first negative square root of 2, negative square root of 2 times negative square root of 2 will give us 2. And for the last negative square root of 2 times negative square root of 2, this is just also 2. Now, 2 times 2 will give us 4. And we know already that negative square root of 2 raised to 4 is 4. Therefore, negative and positive square root of 2 is definitely a solution to this equation. And as always, we are done.